Hey you! Do you love spending summer evenings out on the deck or in your backyard? We have the perfect recipe for you to put on your summer patio. Our Citronella Floating Candle. It'll naturally repel insects and create a wonderful atmosphere, and you can customize it to look however you want. Once your box arrives, open it up, pull out your recipe card, lemongrass essential oil, and citronella essential oil, and also your 3 floating wicks. These wicks will come disassembled. All you need to do is grab your wick and poke it through this little hole so that 1/3 of the wick shows. From your kitchen, you're gonna wanna grab some cooking oil, like vegetable oil. You can also use a carrier oil from your big bonus box. You'll also want 3 jars. They can be any size or shape. So here's 3 examples here. I've got a cute little candle container, just kind of an interesting shaped one, and your standard jar, plus decorative items. We are going to be using some fake flowers. I find these are pretty easy to work with because they have wires in their stem and you can shape them however you want. But you can also use fresh flowers or fresh fruit or any kind of decorative stones or shells. All right, so to start, we are going to arrange our flowers in our jars, and we're gonna leave this one empty because you don't have to add a decorative item. This is just a cute jar, and I think it stands out on its own really well. So I'm going to shape these flowers so that they won't float to the top once we add water. All right, so we're gonna fill these up with just regular water. So you can see our flowers floated to the top a little bit, so we'll just kind of arrange them so that they don't go to the top. So I might have to take some out. Another way you can make this work is by weighing down your flowers. You could maybe stick a little stone in the bud, or you can get creative with that. All right, so next we're going to add 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil to each of our jars. And the amount you can use can vary. As long as there's oil in your jar, your candle will burn, and depending on the width of your jar, you might want to add more or less vegetable oil. To each of these jars, we're going to add 5 drops of lemongrass and 10 drops of citronella. Each of these oils have natural components that help repel insects. When you check out a citronella plant or lemongrass plant, you'll notice that there aren't any insects around them. It's really important that you stir the essential oil that you add, because if you don't, the essential oil will just float on top, and essential oil is flammable, and it can become a fire hazard. And then add your wicks. You'll want to add them cork side down so the shiny part is up. Just place them in your jar, and then you can light them. These wicks last a long time. They are also reusable, so if you burn through this entire wick, you can replace it with another wick trimming. Yeah, so these smell great. They last a very long time. You can add vegetable oil to keep it burning and refresh it with more essential oils.
So for more recipes just like this, head to simplyearth.com/box and hit that subscribe now button.
Thanks for watching.
See you later. Hey you!
Do you love spending...
Sorry, caught me off guard.